everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one I look forward to each and every month. We have the scent and warmer of the month to dive into for April 2020. As consultants, we are given the opportunity to purchase these kits that include either the scent of the month or the scent and the warmer of the month. And I love this because we're able to get our hands on these goodies just a little bit early so that we can unbox them and share them with you. Now, if you have gotten the March whiff box, then you may have already gotten your hands on the little sample of next month's scent of the month. Oh my goodness, it's so good. I think it's gonna be absolutely amazing. If you did not see that video, I will link it down below. It's a good box, you guys. Still available to purchase. Just saying. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Now in this kit, we get our marketing materials. We get rub and sniff stickers. We get 9 bars of the scent of the month. Love that for us. Okay, so let's talk about the scent. The scent is called Be Fabulous, and look at that packaging. How fun is this? It's kind of like a periwinkle color, and so is the wax. The wax is so pretty. I know these are just minor details, but I love these minor details. It's so nice. If you love clean, citrusy scents, I think what comes out in this, and I'm not looking at the description yet, this is still completely sealed up. I get like this bright grapefruit. Oh, it's so nice. Definitely a citrusy scent. I would, hands down, no questions asked. This is definitely a citrusy scent. So if you love citrus scents, you gotta pick this one up. Oh, it's so nice. Let me rip into this so that we can talk about what my sniffer is actually supposed to be smelling. Hopefully there's grapefruit in here. Let's see here. So we have scent of the month is Be Fabulous. Bright limoncello sparkles against a splash of ruby grapefruit. So see, I was right. And sweet sugared musk. Don't be afraid by the sugared musk. I wouldn't call this musky at all. Definitely that like limoncello, definitely the grapefruit. I feel like the grapefruit is what really like comes forward, like right off the top. So Scentsy gives us like top notes and mid notes and all that jazz. So let me tell you what Scentsy is telling us. So the top notes in here are ruby grapefruit. That's why you're smelling that right off the bat. Persian lime and bright yuzu. I can get the lime. I don't really know what yuzu smells like, but I can definitely get the lime and the grapefruit, definitely. Let's see here. Mid notes are aloha mango and limoncello. So good. Base notes are blonde woods and sugared musk. So those base notes, though, that blonde wood and sugared musk, that may come out when it's warmed. I did warm my sample, but I didn't really get that. So we'll see what happens when I warm a full bar, but oh man, that is so good. Where are my citrus lovers? You got to get your hands on this one. Whew. So we get 9 bars. Lots of bars. That way we can share them with our friends. We can make samples, all that jazz. We also get a room spray. If you haven't tried our room spray, you are missing out. This is absolutely fantastic. Seriously, just like 1 spritz and it's gonna linger in a room for quite a while. Depends on the size of the room and the environment that you're in, whether it's carpet versus hardwood or tile, but 1 or 2 spritzes, and this has some pretty good staying power, I will say. Okay, let me get a little party tester here. Now, the warmer. I'm so excited for this warmer. So excited for this warmer for so many reasons. So, let me take the box out first. Do we have any of our friends here like peacocks? Because this is gonna be the warmer for you, you guys. It is called Be Bold, and obviously this little picture here is not going to do it any kind of justice because it's a black and white picture, but we're gonna unbox it here today, of course. So, how pretty is this? And you don't even know the best part yet. So Scentsy says, warmer of the month, be bold. Let your unique personality shine with our equally one-of-a-kind Be Bold Warmer. Gold peacock feathers bring a lively flair to hand-blown glass in a vibrant shade of teal. The warmer includes one of our Scentsy purple light bulbs for multicolored brilliance, an extra incentive to strut your stuff. So you heard that right. There is a purple 25-watt bulb in here. Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. This warmer is going to be available starting April 1st for $45. I am doing a pre-order list, so for more information, shoot me an email. I will leave my contact information down below per usual. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy because I am so excited. As soon as I saw this, I was just like, oh my gosh. So one of the many things that I love is that we have our mission statement on the inside here, and then there's always a fun quote from one of our co-CEOs. This one is from Heidi. Life can be hard sometimes, and we all need a little shade. Without shade, we can't appreciate our time in the sunshine. I love that. We've got our paperwork here. We've got our dish. And this shade of teal, you guys, it's so pretty. Oh, I can't. Okay, make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, I have to tell my girlfriend Brandy about this. She is going to lose her mind. Oh my gosh, do you see this? How pretty is this? Oh man, it's so pretty. Okay. I love this. It's one of those warmers that looks even pretty when it's turned off. So that way, like if you're like me and you turn your warmers off when you leave the house, not for safety reasons, but for the fact that I want to enjoy my scent when I'm home. Oh, look at how pretty that teal is. So, okay. We've got a little number 4 on here, and if you're newer to Scentsy and maybe this will be your first Scentsy warmer, you will find that on some of our warmers you will have a little number on the bottom here. That's just letting you know how many cubes of wax not to go over. I think honestly just doing 2 cubes, and when I'm referring to cubes, I'm referring to these guys here, just do 2 cubes at a time. If you are maybe sensitive to fragrance, maybe start with just 1 cube and then build up from there. Just don't do more than that. And when you are not getting any fragrance throw anymore, it's time to change out the wax. The wax will still remain in there. You do need to either absorb it with a cotton ball or one of our Scentsy cleanup pads, or dump it, whatever, but it's not going to, the wax isn't going to go anywhere. So just so you know. But oh my gosh, it's such a pretty shade of teal. Oh. We have our purple bulb. Okay. I'm so excited for this. It's not even funny. It's so pretty. And this is a nice thick glass. I don't know if you can see, like it's not, this is sturdy. This is not cheap glass by any means. Okay. I just pay attention to those things because these pieces are not cheap, but I do want to point out the quality that you're getting when you are purchasing one of these warmers. It's more than just a wax warmer. This is a piece of art that you're going to enjoy in your home. It's part of your home decor. So let's see here. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so I'm actually going to turn off my lighting here. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it's on. It's really dark. I figured it would be lighter, like I figured it would be a little bit more dim because it's a purple bulb, but I gotta be honest, I don't love it. Oh no. I think it's really pretty. But like, do you see that? Okay, here's the thing. We're gonna play with a couple of bulbs here. I'm gonna play with, I think we're gonna try, let's try a clear bulb so that you can see what the clear bulb looks like. I'm gonna try the yellow bulb as well. And we're gonna try the green bulb. I don't love the purple. This warmer is absolutely stunning. I don't like the purple bulb. If I'm being totally honest with you guys, it's way too dim. I'm gonna play around with this. I'll post pictures, because obviously it's like a nice bright sunny day. So maybe if you are really sensitive to light and you are gonna have this in your bedroom, I can see that maybe. So I will, I'll include at the end of this video some pictures if I can of this in a more dimly lit or even dark room, just so that you can really see the purple. But if I'm being totally honest, I don't like the purple bulb. So let me grab some bulbs and we're gonna play around with some other options here, because this is an absolutely beautiful warmer and I still think it's worth the 45 bucks. I just don't like this bulb. So hang tight. All right, friends, I'm back and I've got bulbs. So let's play around, because this really is a beautiful warmer. And like I said, if you like it more dimly lit, this is still a 25 watt bulb. So it's still going to warm the wax and it's still going to do its job. It's just, I really love the beautiful glow that our warmers put off. So let me show you, we're gonna play around with, like I said, I've got the green bulb. I also have the yellow bulb. The yellow bulb is actually being discontinued, but it is still currently in the clearance section. So I feel like that could give like kind of a cool vibe to this. But what we're gonna try first is actually a clear bulb. So this is a clear 25 watt bulb. So let's give this a shot. See, oh my gosh, hands down, way better. Way, way better. I love the idea of the purple bulb, and to be totally honest, I'm absolutely gonna use it. Just not in this warmer. I actually think that it would be really pretty in one of our clear warmers, but in this warmer, there's so much beautiful detail in this that I just feel like you're missing the beauty of it with that purple bulb, because it just doesn't light up at all. It looks exactly the same when it's off. So hands down, clear bulb, 100%, love it. But I still want to try out the yellow and the green bulb. So, because the green is just gonna probably, I would imagine, enhance that kind of teal color. So I wasn't prepared for this. I was like, I thought this was just gonna be, I mean, if you look, let me turn on my lighting while this is like cooling off a little bit. So if you look, so obviously like this is an edited picture from Scentsy, so like it's hard to really tell, but like on here, like this picture here looks like it's a pretty bright purple. So I don't know, we'll see when it's in a much darker environment, but I don't know, you guys saw that my warmer didn't look like that, so it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna work through it. It's all gonna be fine. Like I said, it's still a gorgeous warmer, but let's try the green bulb. And like I said, I love the purple bulb. I'm gonna use it in a different warmer. Okay. Now we're gonna try the green bulb. And just a heads up, if you are newer to Scentsy and you are picking up some of the colored bulbs for your other warmers, just make sure that those warmers are able to take 25 watt bulbs. Do not use a 25 watt bulb in a 20 watt warmer. It becomes a fire hazard. So I have to put that little disclaimer out there. Turn your lighting off, Lisa. Okay, this is the green bulb. This is super pretty too. I do really like this. Now the gold, that gold like peacock feather look is now green. So if you like the gold, I would suggest doing the clear bulb. But if you just love the look of this green, and like I said, it did kind of enhance that teal color. I even like the green better than the purple, personally. Oh, this is so pretty. I really love this. I love the details. And this, this gold part on the bottom, it's reflective, so it's really pretty and shiny. Okay, now let's try the yellow bulb. That green bulb gets like crazy hot. Okay, now we're gonna try the yellow. So the yellow is going to probably make that gold pop even more, but it may change the color of that teal, the teal look. So let's see. But if you feel like that clear bulb might be a little bit too bright for you, I would maybe recommend the yellow because it will kind of dim it down a little bit. So this is the yellow. Yeah, that's pretty. I still think I prefer the clear. Out of all of these, I prefer the clear, but this is nice. It is nice, and you do still get a little bit of that like teal color payoff here, and then but then the yellow and the gold is much brighter on the bottom. So pretty. Oh, I love this warmer. Such a bummer about the purple bulb, but honestly, I mean, the bulb is not that big of a deal. It really isn't. I was really excited about it, and I'm gonna enjoy it in a different warmer, but this warmer itself is so beautiful. I'm not gonna let that like bring me down. I am not. So this is going to be available. Man, this was like kind of a detour. I did not see this video going this way, but we just roll with it, right? So this is going to be available, and it will include the purple bulb. You cannot change out the bulbs, but what you can do is still get this. It's gonna come with the purple bulb, but then in addition to your order, either pick up an extra clear bulb, or if you want the yellow, you can purchase the yellow from the clearance section or get a green bulb in addition to this warmer. So this is going to be available starting April 1st for $45. So let me know. I will leave my contact information down below if you would like to be on my pre-order list. Send me an email. I'll let you know how it works. And I can place the order for the warmer. It doesn't just have to be the warmer. It can be other things. So if you want an extra bulb or if you want additional items, just let me know and we can get that placed for you. So I love it though. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Like I said, totally did not see this situation happen, but we work with it. I love it. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.